Hey guys, so it's been a little over a week since I've posted my intro to the bare bones challenge that I'm doing, and I've been doing it now for, today's the 11th, 11 days, something like that, 11 or 12 days, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hard. Work hasn't been an issue because I didn't wear makeup to work to begin with, but I've had to go to a couple rainbow events without makeup. Today's Monday. Monday, I tend to do my appointments. Like, I have my nail appointment in about 40 minutes. Not putting makeup on. This is actually gonna be the first time I go to the nail salon without makeup on, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little bit of anxiety from it. Actually, if you're wondering what nail polish I'll be wearing, I'll show it to you in a little bit. But, and then, like, my hair, I think the hair has been the hardest part because I tend to like to do something to it when I film my videos, so like whether I wave it or curl it or what have you, I always do something to it, and I haven't been doing anything because part of my bare bones challenge is not using hot tools on my hair to give it a little bit of a break. I don't know if you can tell from my bangs right now, but my bangs are kind of like weird. Like, it's angling weird. And normally I would just take my hair straightener and just straighten it so it didn't look bad. Here's a close-up of what I'm talking about. Because my bangs used to be like this, if you guys remember. But I've been pushing them to the sides, trying to grow them out. And sometimes they just kind of lay weird, or they don't know which way they want to go. And normally I'd fix that by straightening my hair. Or at least just the bangs. I haven't been doing that. I've been trying to use, like, water to try to flatten them out. But that doesn't seem to be working all that well. So let's go through some of the things. So, one of my anxiety things about it, doing the bare bones challenge, was the fact that whenever I'm out, with the exception of work, I wear makeup. And at first I was doing it because it was fun. I loved creating looks. I love the act of putting the makeup on. It's just really therapeutic for me. But then it started becoming a chore. And not a chore as in it's something I didn't want to do. I still wanted to do it, but I wanted to do it for the wrong reasons. Instead of wanting to do it because it's fun or because I wanted to create a new, unique look, I was doing it to hide the circles under my eyes or the zits on my face and transform myself, basically. I actually remember showing a picture to one of my coworkers of my makeup, and just what I like to do, and that was kind of when it hit me. She was like, wow, you really transform the features of your face. Like, you don't look like yourself. And that's just kind of when it hit me. And that's what started the bare bones challenge. So yeah. So I've gone to 2 rainbow events without makeup. One was when the Rainbow Girls did, their presentation for Eastern Star, and they served a dinner beforehand, so I was there for the dinner and I was there for the Eastern Star meeting. I am part of Eastern Star, so I ended up staying for the whole meeting and not just the portion that the Rainbow Girls were involved in. Didn't wear makeup, and surprisingly I had gotten quite a few compliments. People saying I look good. Like, I was actually relatively shocked. I mean, don't get me wrong, most 99% of those people grew up with me So they knew me before I started wearing makeup too, so it's not like they've never seen my bare face, but they just haven't seen it in a while. And that was actually really nice to hear. And then we had an initiation on Wednesday. I ended up leaving early for unrelated reasons, but the people who saw me said I'm looking really good, I'm looking really healthy, and that really, really made me feel good. So far I haven't gotten any "are you sick" comments, "are you tired" comments, which is honestly what I was expecting. But yeah. And I'm not gonna lie, doing this bare bones challenge has actually made my no-buy a little bit easier, because I'm not playing with the makeup or anything, so I'm not looking at the Ulta website. I'm not interested in it right now because I can't be. Not really because I can't be interested, but I'm not interested in it right now because I'm trying to redefine myself. So I'm not even really watching the makeup YouTube videos. I mean, I'm currently watching videos from a week ago just to get myself caught up on my subscription feed, and honestly, it's kind of a chore watching them. But my OCD will kick in if I don't watch them and be like, "You didn't watch all these videos!" Ah! So I am watching them. But honestly, I've been reading a lot. As you guys have seen, I've started doing, I have to leave soon, book videos on my channel. And honestly, that's really helped me get through it. Actually, I just finished a book today, The Things We Do for Love. I love the Kristen Hanna's writing, but I was not a huge fan of this book. I did finish it because I was hoping it wouldn't go in the way it did, but it did. Read my review on Goodreads if you want to know before my wrap up, but I'm reading The Shining right now. I'm a little over halfway through. I'm also reading 1984 as an ebook, so, but anywho, yeah. So I'm going to go to my nail appointment. I'm feeling a little bit of anxiety about not wearing makeup to my nail appointment, so I'll check in with you guys after. So I'm going to say right here and now, I did not like going to the nail salon without makeup on. That was very awkward. Everybody was all made up and had all their makeup on except for me. It was awkward. This is the nail color I went with, by the way. So this is Skylark by Sinful Colors. I bought this like 3-4 years ago before I went cruelty-free, but even still, I thought Sinful Colors was cruelty-free. I was shocked to find out that they weren't, but it was actually funny. The reason why I picked this color was because one of my residents, I asked her what color I should do, and she said, "I haven't seen orange in a while," and I was like, orange is more like a fall color. But then I remembered I had this, and it's like a pastel orange. So I asked her if a pastel orange would work, and she was like, yeah. So, thank you. But anyway, so I did not like going to the nail salon without makeup, and I'm still gonna have to do it at least one other time this month. But yeah, so yeah, my hair looks crazy, and I'm at Adam's work waiting for him to get out. It's 4:45, and I'm reading The Shining by Stephen King. So yeah. I just wanted to make sure I updated you about how it went at the nail salon with no makeup, and it was awful. Although they were playing a really good movie. I want to say it's called Wander. I don't know, but it looked really good. And then they started playing Bohemian Rhapsody, and I'm like, of course. So now I need to find both of those, as well as Burlesque, since you played that last time I was there. Oh my goodness, I need to get my eyebrows done. Okay. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, leave a comment down below if you are doing this challenge with me. My schedule is Monday through Friday. Monday and Fridays are my booktube videos, so anything and everything to do about books. If you want to see any videos I've done in the past, they're in the playlist A Novel Idea. Tuesdays and Thursdays are my beauty videos, and Wednesdays are my videos about veganism. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.